1 car, 2 dogs, 3 bicycles, 1 egg, 2 pens, 3 cats,
5 newspapers, 4 boys, 4 men, 6 apples, 6 girls, 5 books,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 4, 6. 6, 1, 3, 5, 2. 1, 2, 3.
There is 1 cell phone. There is 1 book. There is 1 egg. There is 1 child. There is 1 fish. There is 1 woman.
There are 2 children. There are 4 women. There are 5 fish. There are 3 books. There are 6 eggs. There is 1 cell phone.
there are 3 balls, there are 4 keys,
There are 2 cell phones. There is 1 bed. There are 3 phones. There is 1 cup. There are 4 chairs. There are 2 tables.
how many fish are there? There are 3 fish. How many keys are there?
There are 4 keys.
How many police officers are there? There are 2 police officers. How many apples are there? There is 1 apple.
There are 3 eggs. There are 6 cups. There are 5 eggs. There are 4 cups. 3 plates are white. 1 flower is red. 4 bowls are blue. 2 apples are green.
Shoes, shoes, shoes. Shoes. A shirt, a shirt. A shirt. Pants. Pants.
A coat, a coat, a coat. A coat, a dress, a dress. A dress, a skirt. A skirt.
A blue shirt. A yellow t-shirt. A green t-shirt. A red shirt.
How many bowls do you have?
I have 2 plates.
How many plates do you have?
I have 3 bowls. The girl is wearing a t-shirt. The boy is not wearing a t-shirt. The woman is wearing shoes. The man is not wearing shoes.
The girl is not wearing pants. She is wearing a skirt. 3 women are wearing pants. 1 woman is wearing a dress. The men are wearing hats. The boy is wearing pants.
The woman is wearing a hat. The woman is wearing a dress. The woman is wearing a dress. The woman is wearing a skirt. The woman is wearing pants.
She is buying 4 t-shirts. He is buying 3 t-shirts. She is buying 2 hats. He is buying 1 hat.
The man is buying a hat. The man is wearing a coat. The man is wearing a hat. The man is buying a coat.
The police officer is eating. The students are reading. The women are drinking. The girl is writing. Who is drinking? Who is writing? Who is eating? Who is reading?
How many trees are there? There are 3 trees. How many trees are there? There are 4 trees. How many bowls are there? There is 1 bowl. How many children are there? There are 6 children.
This is a bicycle. There are 3 bicycles. She has a bicycle. Yes. Who has a bicycle? What is this? Does she have a bicycle? How many bicycles are there?
This is a sandwich. There are 2 sandwiches.
Yes.
How many sandwiches are there? What is this?
Are you eating sandwiches?